Today we're organizing our living room and setting up an extra tall 75-inch bookshelf from Holzart. It gives us so much storage, looks really nice, and comes shipped to your door to spice up your area too. Setup is easy. Lay out all your parts so you can see what's what. Locate your instructions and hardware, and let's begin. I did use a drill to put this together, but a normal screwdriver would work too. The instructions were clearly labeled, and I was able to build it by myself in under a couple of hours. Just build the two halves and lower the top half onto the bottom half, and then lock that down. Screw down the cabinet doors, and then put the black stickers over the holes to cover them up. And like that, we're done. I slid it into place, and then started organizing. It was able to hold so much stuff. And the cabinets below are perfect for our storage bins. So I slid those in, and this thing is packed. Not only that, but I think it really ties the room together. I just love how tall it is, and I like the oversized middle shelf. This gives you extra space to put some knickknacks, or your cats. They're also enjoying the height of the shelf. So now they have a fun new place to lounge, and I can find what I'm looking for when I need it. Whether it be storage below, or a book up top. You can also use the mounts on the back to screw it against the wall, and keep it from getting knocked over. But after you get some weight in there, it's pretty sturdy. I think in the future, I'm gonna mount some LED lights in here like we did in another video. It looked really nice, but for now, I'm happy with it and have no complaints. If you're looking for a nice bookshelf to organize your things and tie your room together as well, this bookshelf from Holzart might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go pick out a book. See ya.